Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, things are looking very interesting. Also looks like Bitcoin could be doing the unthinkable first before choosing an actual trend direction. I mean, despite the huge bearish divergence in RSI, despite this huge rising wedge, the price decided to break to the upside, even ignoring the volume which was clearly fading out. I mean, if you look to the downside, RSI was flashing also bearish divergence. Volume is disagreeing with this bullish move. I mean, while the price is in an uptrend, volume is clearly declining, which is also a sign of danger. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that despite the price of Bitcoin invalidate this rising wedge, please be careful, because this could be leading into a false breakout. False break to the upside, liquidating the over leverage shorts, and then again a continuation to the downside to test some key line of support, and only after that start with an actual bullish continuation here like this. Because if you look at this liquidation heat map from Binance Bitcoin USDT, you can see in a 24-hour time frame, despite the bullish move what is being flashy in our price action, we have huge liquidity clusters lying around 100,000 area. So that's why guys, that's why I still want you to be careful, because despite the bullish move, despite invalidating some of the bearish scenario, I want you guys to be careful, because we are also approaching one very important line of resistance which in the past price action rejected us. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. Each and every time after testing the support from this ascending channel, rising channel, the lower trend line, price got attracted towards the upper trend line which acted as resistance, resulting in a corrective move or throwback towards this lower trend line. Same thing happened here. We found support at this rising channel, lower trend line, resulted in a bullish move, testing the resistance from this upper trend line, which resulted in another continuation towards this lower band, which again resulted in a move towards this resistance line or the upper trend line from this rising channel. In general, rising channel is a bearish continuation pattern which could be showing a move like this. So that's why guys, that's why since the price got rejected first time, second time, this could be another rejection around this upper trend line, and right after that the price of Bitcoin could be showing another continuation to the downside. I mean, this bullish move turning into a false breakout, and only after that to continue with an actual bullish move, because we are aware. Now if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean, according to this inverted head and shoulder type of formation which I showed you yesterday with price objective around 110,000, you can see guys, it is playing out perfectly. Price also broke the neckline, but if we look at this price objective, if we look at the price target from this inverted head and shoulder type of formation, you can see guys, 108,000 could be attracting us. And if you look at this 108,000 price objective, that is also the first price target or price objective from this leading indicator. Yes guys, the monthly R1 line also sits around 108,000. So if this bullishness is going to continue at least around 108, 110,000 in between that range, then I want you guys to be ready in that case, because after testing this key line of resistance, after testing the price objective from this inverted head and shoulder, we might see a move like this guys. All of a sudden, price breaking to the downside to test the support from this descending CPR, and only after that continue like this. Yes guys, I strongly believe that there will be a retest around this CPR trend line again before continuing with this actual bullish move. But you know, if the price tests the resistance from this monthly R1 line, if the price comes around 108,000, what in that case? In that case, we will be testing the first target for the month of December, which is very bullish. Yes guys, during uptrend, whenever the price has formed an ascending CPR and tested the monthly R1 line, in more than 90% of cases, it has, you can see we tested the R1 line, it has resulted in a bullish move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that since this move will also indicate the upcoming month is going to be bullish for Bitcoin, so that's why we will be more than happy to see a test around this monthly R1 line and then a pullback towards this descending CPI, which in our case is going to give us a buying opportunity, because we are aware pullback above 90,000 we have extremely important support line for Bitcoin. I mean, support from this Williams alligator indicator is there, and in a weekly time frame, this pullback will be giving us a buying opportunity, because according to this Elliott wave theory, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted in between 110, 120,000, and only after that start with this corrective move known as ABC pattern. Yes, guys, even though if the price after a move around 108,000, 109,000 shows a continuation to the downside, I mean a move like this, and then all of a sudden a pullback around 95,000, please do not get confused. That will be just a temporary pullback in my opinion, and price after that is expected to hit higher, because beside this Elliott wave theory, you know, we also have this cup and handle pattern playing out here in a weekly time frame, which is another bullish continuation pattern. Yes, guys, according to this cup and handle pattern, the price of Bitcoin is expected to show a move at least around 110, 120,000 in between that range, and only after that we might be starting with this corrective move, Elliott wave ABC pattern. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that in a bigger picture, things looks very, very bullish. Even if the price in the medium short term shows weakness, you can see it is going to give us a buying opportunity, and price after that is expected to head higher to make a new all-time high, and also to test the new price objective, which sits in between 110, 120,000. So guys, in case of doubt, simply zoom out. So this was some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this bonus from Phemex, OKX, then definitely check the video description, because these events are temporary, and if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.